My daughter had a very interesting science experiment. She boiled water in the microwave and boiled water on the stove. And when it cooled, she kept it in glass containers and then watered 2 identical plants. We were shocked at how fast the microwaved watered plants wilted or even would kind of lean over. They were just not as healthy. And then afterwards, whenever we were done with the experiment, which was only 2 weeks, by the way, some of the microwaved plants died, even though we started feeding them good water and even planted the begonias into the ground. They just seemed like they couldn't bounce back after feeding them with that water for 2 weeks.
Microwave. You can see it's darker and it's looser, not as
Can't even stand up.
I was right. The microwave ones were not as healthy. So